Hey friends, if you wish to fix a general Bluetooth adapter error with the error code 19, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now it's not very difficult, but people do not know how to do it, so they just update the drivers and it doesn't fix the problem because those drivers are corrupt. So search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list for Bluetooth. Right click on the Bluetooth adapter. Select uninstall device. Select uninstall and make sure that the driver is completely removed and you don't even see the Bluetooth driver here. Now click on action and scan for hardware changes. So it will disconnect or every Bluetooth device connected to your system. It will remove the drivers, it will reinstall the drivers. And as you can see, the whole list is very different because it was detecting the Bluetooth drivers again and it was reinstalling all those drivers again. It is reinstalling all those attributes again, and this will fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.